Agile developers value customer collaboration over contract negotiation. Now, it's really common in Agile for different tools and techniques to be good by themselves but to combine to produce something great. Now, customer collaboration, one of the problems you find is, even if you're committed to it, it's really difficult to elicit knowledge. Learning a customer's domain isn't something which is easy and which perhaps you can't do within a particular time box. Now, iterative development, the classic cyclic rhythm of do, reflect, repeat, is one way where you can actually improve over time in a cyclic fashion, an iterative fashion, your knowledge of the customer's domain. So rather than trying to have a long process right at the start where you really try to list everything, you can actually collaborate with a customer during the project as it grows, and this has a lot of advantages. It's really hard for a lot of customers to elicit, to actually understand how your software fits into their business value unless they see it in operation, unless they can feel it, unless they can touch it. So, by developing software which you can use early in an iterative fashion, it allows you to collaborate with the actual artifacts. And then you'll elicit changes and improvements, and you'll gain a greater knowledge of the domain because you test it. You can see demoing, demonstrating, collaborating with the user in this iterative fashion with the customer, in this iterative fashion, can be seen as eliciting feedback, empirical evidence about how your software works for their business values. And you'll actually get a deeper knowledge of their domain. You might only think you understand their domain by producing software which works frequently and collaborating with your customers, showing it, demonstrating, talking about it. You'll both improve your knowledge of the customer's domain and the customer knowledge, improve knowledge of how software works and in particular how your team works. So, customer collaboration and iterative development methods, they go together.